Okay, okay, okay.
And that
So,
strength. Uh-huh.
yeah, go ahead, Gupta ji.
So we will continue. We will talk about it, and
Yeah,
you can then really look for yourself. How
yeah,
would you like to contribute? Because I am very
yeah,
sure you would be interested in the betterment of your own destiny, your own future, your own countrymen, or your
yeah.
own friend, philosopher, and guides also.
Okay.
Because I feel this is the only way we can really help our fellow citizens to live
Mm,
a
mm.
transformed country in a Satyugi country.
Okay. So I'll wait for your details. Then I will study the case and then I will connect with you again.
Sure, sure. I will be
Because
doing this
yeah, yeah.
now. I will be doing this now, right?
Okay, okay.
Okay, and
Currently I'm in
then we
a
will connect.
restaurant. That
Then
is,
we will connect
yeah,
next
current.
week.
Yeah, yeah. I'll WhatsApp you the
Hmm.
suitable time so that
Hmm.
we can connect on the Zoom or Team or whatever it is.
Yeah,
Hmm?
that's great. We are connected
Yeah.
on all platforms. There's no issue.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Currently I'm in a restaurant. That is
Uh-huh.
why the disturbance.
No issue, no issue. I mean, it's nice of you that we were really not in touch for quite some time, and it is a high
Yeah,
time that for the betterment of the country as a whole, can we do
yeah.
something more meaningful before
Yes,
we are
yes.
before we जो है go out of we die basically before that
Yeah, yeah.
can we do something for our
Yes,
kids,
yes.
right?
Really appreciate your mindset, Gupta ji.
Uh-huh.
Hmm?
Uh-huh. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, not many people have that this level of mindset. Nowadays everybody is running behind their own.
Not only
Yeah,
them, they are afraid also.
yeah,
If
yeah.
they
That's
will,
also there.
if
Yeah,
they will open out their mouth, there is a
yeah, yeah,
likelihood that they may be harmed.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's
So,
also there. That's
so
for
they
sure.
are really afraid of the negative consequences
Yes,
which may
yes,
fall
yes.
out, which may flow from the positive action. So
Yeah, yes,
if you are doing anything negative,
yeah,
you need not to fear. But if you do want to do something positive, then
yes,
all hooligans, all bad people, they will join hand,
yeah,
whatever
yeah.
was possible at their end.
Right, right, right.
है ना?
Yes, yes. You are right.
So please
So
convey
I'll
my
wait for
regards
it,
to
Gupta ji.
madam.
Yeah, yeah, sure, 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 sure.
I got her message also, and she said that you will be talking to me. Thank you.
Sure. It's, convey my regards to your family. Huh?
Yeah, sure,
Gupta ji.
sure, sure,
Huh?
sure, sure, sure.
Okay, okay,
And
okay.
do
Thank you.
plan to visit Bhopal whenever you are in India.
Yeah, 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 yeah. We were also looking forward to meet you in Dubai. So on the way to London
How
or
is everything at Dubai? Let's talk about that something about that also.
Dubai is the market is very hot. Real estate market is very very hot. Expenses booming up. A lot of people are migrating. Population is increasing in Dubai. But of course, Dubai is Dubai. It's a totally different cosmopolitan culture, and it's not more in Arab country. It's an international community. So it's doing well, and we believe this is the extended arm of India because we a lot of Indians. When you called me, I was having a South Indian veg restaurant.
Oh, great,
So
great.
yeah, yeah. So there are so much available.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't miss India when we are in Dubai, and we get a very positive vibe to do our business. Not, all these things are there. So we really enjoy the life here, and it is safe and clean, and so that's all good. And there is no tax.
Basically, we are having very fond
There is
memory
no
of
income
Dubai.
tax, of course, but it's not our country, so sometimes we miss that. But other than that, everything is here, and just 3 hours flight, so not too far.
And I would like to take this opportunity to convey my gratitude that we had a very gala time in Dubai because of your support and hospitality.
Thank you, thank you. Looking forward to meet you again soon.
Sure. It is, I think, time that we should sit together, we should discuss something.
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
basically, Masood, one thing we have to appreciate,
Hmm.
whoever has come in this world, he is
Yeah,
not going to stay here permanently.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct.
Before we leave, before we die,
Yeah.
can we leave some transformational impact so that
Hmm.
our future generation they should have better time?
That's true. That's true. That's true. That's true. That is a great purpose of the life.
And what I feel that many may not understand, like in people like you and me,
Hmm.
we must throw our weight for
Hmm.
the
Hmm.
betterment because there will be a number of the irrational people, those
Hmm.
who would
Hmm.
like to exploit the situation for their advantage, and
Hmm.
and they are not bothered about the
Hmm.
common public. They are
Hmm.
just
Hmm.
being
Hmm.
treated as a voters, and
Hmm.
they
Hmm.
intend to buy their votes without
Hmm.
providing them any benefit.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
really
Yeah.
sometimes feel very pity about that.
Hmm.
But I
Hmm. Hmm.
feel
Hmm.
they have been treated like a creature. uh,
Hmm.
they are being treated like a creature
Hmm.
who is having no human values.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
With a lot of freebies, and they
Hmm.
have encouraged the consumption of the liquor.
Hmm.
And with the freebies, these burger,
Hmm.
though we claim we are having the largest young population of the world, but
Hmm.
it is an incapable population
Hmm.
which cannot even do a hard work of a day. So if a laborer cannot do the hard work,
Hmm.
it is very unfortunate for the country.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But
I
really,
understand.
these politicians are not bothered for these things.
Hmm.
They
Hmm.
are
Hmm.
actually they are not the right kind of the people.
Hmm.
They are
Hmm.
not
Hmm.
literate people. They are not. I mean, they are the ruffians basically.
Hmm. Hmm.
All
Hmm.
political parties they prefer, उसको हम कहते हैं कि बाहुबली, धनबली और अपराधियों को ही ये वरीयता देते हैं और
Hmm.
अपराध करके जीतते हैं.
Hmm.
They do not have the thinking capacity to do anything good for the country.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
don't know
Hmm.
how much you agree with me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I totally agree with you. I totally agree with you. So, the real capable people are behind the screen.